Fuck you, Mickey.
Hello, man. Nice to meet you.
Hell yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, man. You already know what it's here for, man. LO. Only the LO. Double O shit.
So good, so good, so good.
They want you to hum over the piano, my guy.
I was already humming. I was humming. Y'all heard me?
No, like, you know what I mean?
He said he wants to hear you hum.
Let's add more hats.
Let's add the hats. You're right.
I want to hear what it sounds like.
That will show us exactly where the bass is supposed to be at.
Yeah.
Gotta get the sound right. This shit gonna be fire, bro. Kinda different, that's why I can't fuck with you. Shit was cool from the beginning, I thought I'd be stuck with you. I really thought that you'd be mine, but all you do is waste my time. Acting my grind, in a different state of mind. Fuck about you, I'ma go and get mine. Go in my mind.
I like it a lot. Honestly, I was like kind of like when we were starting, but now I'm like, alright, bet.
Watch how I slide up on it. Fast with a little rewind up on it. Show me your watch if you claiming it's listen. I'm listening, switching that comment on it.
You like that? Yo, we're struggling with the bass. What do you think about what we're doing out here?
Okay, nah, I'm gonna leave it like that. Run it back one more time.
Fell in love with a gold digger. She can smell the money from the gold nigga. On the block with them cold killers. I'ma crack the safe with no code nigga. Need a right on my waistline. She gay too, it's no hate crime. Cash app, I need a dime. Bust that pussy on FaceTime. Boy, I got real problems. Them kids screaming, them bills hollering. Obviously on me, I got a pill problem. All the bullshit got a little tolerance. Bands to the roof, bands in the truth, swerving like a crash bandicoot. I was breaking rules, probably play a fool. Let me show you how a gangster move. Ooh.
That shit fire, nigga. That shit got me hype the fuck up.
Yes, sir.
That's fire. I like that. I think that's very nice, man. Feel me? You fucking with it?
Kari can do his video.
They bonding just like how I dress on my Cuban now. I'm constantly grinding this up every time and won't settle for less. I be moving strong. Could've been dropped the tape. They asked us away. Can't lie, it's been hard just to choose a song. Should've knew you was fake. All you do is take, but fuck it, I'm happy you moving on. You been gone. That's good. Got you. Like, I'm just punching right there, too. But just punch that shit in. I just punch that shit in. Yeah, make it come in better. Oh, hold on. You can keep the first part, though. You can keep that first part. I gotta catch it right. Easy, why these motherfuckers wanna beat me? I'm just trying to go up on the TV. Pop like 3D. No, I need it all, but I'm greedy. Won't fuck with a bitch that's too needy. You don't want no war. 100 round clip, no talk. You can get hit, no chalk. All of my jewelry like piss, no star. Looking up at my money, how you get this tall?
Yeah.
Josh knows how.
I'm very happy. That was good. I like that.
It was good from the beginning. I thought I'd be stuck with you. I really thought that you'd be.
Yeah, I'm excited to walk back here. That's why I like coming out here. You walk out, you walk back, and you're like, ooh, damn. That's very cool.
Would you call yourself a vlogger now?
Yeah, here, ready? Let's go. We're gonna interview him right now. I'm Josh Feldman. How we doing?
I'm about to start doing vlogs on like healthy food and shit.
Oh yeah? What'd you eat today? What'd you have for breakfast?
Whole food channel. I'm just cutting up vegetables.
What you be making in the kitchen then?
High as shit.
Stir fry.
Man, when I got a Dutch and a bottle of Hennessy, I can make anything.
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible.
Exactly. That's content right there.
Is it that EDM song?
This is
That you like chopped up?
Yeah, chopped up some of the cheapest.
That a lot.
Yeah, this was back in 2016 too, when he first dropped on SoundCloud. People didn't even fuck with him, and then this shit started getting actually like up there.
It loads fine. I'm just gonna get the BPM.
Shit is crazy, man. And we gone like. Said then we gone like. I need the dog plus all the profit. Fuck you heard about my chips. If it ain't that, then it ain't nothing. Don't start running your lips. Remember hugged up on the corner, posted up on the strip. I was just young, around 16 with the 4 on my hip. We walk up on it and dip. We hit him, giving the clip. Remember out the county lock. Now I'm trying to fly out for trips. We taxed him up for a tip. Say he with that, it's a myth. Gang off the Remy and pick. Play you get gone off a clip. Just chill, nigga. Life too fast for living the class like for real, nigga. Can never get caught up in the past, just the thrill, nigga. Cause this shit don't last forever. Fuck it, let's go and get the money for the good or the better. Just chill, nigga.
You out of here, cuz? Alright, cuz. Love you, cuz.
Love you too,
You
cuz.
already hit my phone.
Got you.
Go. That shit is fire.
Bad motherfucker
Oh,
from
let's
Texas.
chill.
Yo.
You hear me?
Chill.
Money for the good or the better, like. Just chill, nigga. My boy got the bike all close, you know. My boy B Illy shot that out of scene. Feel me?
You don't see nothing wrong. You never see nothing wrong. Never see nothing wrong. You never see. You can never see nothing wrong, you don't know the difference. Sick and tired of relationships, never go the distance. You always tripping and wonder why we always be slipping. And always splitting, I try to talk, you don't always listen. I met you, was on a different type of vibe with you. Knew I would ride for you, anything you need, I'm right beside of you. Never lied to you, always slide to you. The beginning was too easy, now I'm tired. Shit was on another level, we was going far. Could've been pushing pedals up in this foreign car. How you turned to a devil, though we was going large. Now the ice on my bezel look like a glowing star. Since I left you, I've been going off. While you was out with those niggas and always showing off. Please stop calling my phone just because you know you're lost. I'ma climb to the top and I'm never falling off. Told you that I'm going off. You know it's easy to talk to me. Maybe you was chillin' at the dark with me. And if you hear him talk